This is your new chapter, chapter 3, Food and Health. Students, you know what is food, what is the important in our body. Food give us energy, food help us to grow and keep us healthy, and also food keep us free from various disease. The food is made of chemical substances that is called nutrients. Students, when we take various foods, our body obtain nutrients. Most of the food items contains a mixture of nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals are some of nutrients found in our food that we eat. Here given this figure given carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, various nutrients and sources. Rice, potato, wheat. Carbohydrates in rice, potato and wheat. Fats, butter, ghee, oil. When we eat eggs, milk, fish, pulses, we get proteins and vitamins and minerals in fruits and vegetables and their function. Carbohydrates provide energy, fats provide more energy, keep our body warm. Proteins help in growth, help heal wounds, and vitamins and minerals maintain our good health, protect from various diseases. So students, beside these nutrients, we must include roughage and water in our diet. Water is also important, like other nutrients. Water helps us to get rid of waste materials from our body. Also, our body needs roughage. Roughage helps to get rid of undigested waste. Roughage helps us to get rid of undigested waste. Now students, another important topic, balanced diet. You know, balanced diet, for proper functioning of the body, we must eat balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet which contains all nutrients in the right amount is called balanced diet. In a right amount, all nutrients included in our diet. The diet may vary from person to person depending on their age, sex and lifestyle. People who do more physical work, they need more carbohydrates. A growing child also needs to eat protein-rich diet. Now, to be fit and healthy, we have to take healthy food, drinking clean water, maintaining good habits. It has to be balanced with regular physical activity, regular exercises, keep our body fit, healthy. There are many different ways exercising, such as running, skipping, playing, swimming, even dancing. All activities help us stay fit. Also, we need sleep. Sleep helps our body to relax and prepares us for next day, for next work. It also gives us time to body for growth and repair. For an adult, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is so essential. We must maintain good posture. We should sit, stand or move properly. Disease. What is disease? Disease means when our body does not function normally. When improper functioning of body parts. Disease is a condition in which our body not function normally. A disease can be identified by analyzing its symptoms. It can then be treated. Disease may occur due to many reasons. Improper functioning of body parts, deficiency of nutrients, infection by germs. There are two types of disease: non-communicable disease. What is non-communicable disease? Disease that do not spread from one person to another person are called non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease are beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goiter, anemia, night blindness. These are non-communicable disease. Disease which are caused due to deficiency of certain nutrients in a person's diet are called deficiency disease. When lack of vitamins, lack of iodines, that is deficiency disease. Look at here. Here given a table, name of disease: beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goiter, and their causes: night blindness. Causes: deficiency of vitamin A. Symptoms: difficulty in seeing at night or in dim light. What is the sources? That we get mango, pumpkin, papaya, milk, egg, yolk, green leafy vegetables rich in nutrients. Means vitamin A found in these foods. Next, beriberi, vitamin B, deficiency of vitamin B. Symptoms: body weakness, weight loss, and food items: milk, meat, cereals, peas, green vegetables rich in vitamin B. Scurvy, deficiency of vitamin C, swelling of joints, bleeding gums. Lemon, oranges, tomatoes, pulses, grains, these are source in rich in vitamin C. Then another name of disease, rickets, deficiency of vitamin D. In this disease, bones become soft. So we should eat milk, fish, cabbage, mushrooms, eggs. Goiter, deficiency of iodine, enlargement of thyroid gland in the neck region. So we should take iodized salt, seafood. Next disease, anemia, deficiency of iron, pale skin, fatigue. Green leafy vegetables: apples, banana, date, pomegranate you should eat for deficiency of iron. Mushrooms, deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins. Stunned growth, dry, wrinkled skin. Wheat, soybean, eggs, potato, sugar, gram, nuts, fish. You must eat these foods. Students, some other non-communicable diseases are also caused due to irregular food habits, poor lifestyles, improper functioning of the body parts. For example, cancer, asthma, diabetes, and disease of heart. Intake of excess of carbohydrates, lack of exercises, and lead to obesity. These are another non-communicable disease. An obese person is prone to heart disease and diabetes. Sometimes children are also born with some disease such as heart disease. Okay students, this is the first part of chapter 3. Next part in next video.